Let's make some buffalo chicken bites in the air fryer. I'm gonna take 1 cup of plain all-purpose flour here and 1 cup here, a teaspoon of garlic powder here, a teaspoon of garlic powder here, paprika here, and a teaspoon of paprika here, salt here, a teaspoon of salt here, black pepper here, a teaspoon of black pepper there, a teaspoon of baking powder here, half teaspoon of baking powder here. So this is the dry mix, and to this I'm gonna add some water and I'm gonna mix it until it becomes a thick paste. This is the consistency that you need. I've got some chicken breast here in bite-sized pieces. So what you're gonna do is coat the chicken first in the dry flour, then coat it in the wet batter, and then coat it again with the dry flour. So I'm gonna do all the chicken pieces the same way. The chicken is all done. I'm gonna transfer the chicken into the air fryer basket. Now I'm gonna oil spray it really well. This is gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. This is how the chicken looks after 15 minutes. So I'm gonna flip all the pieces. Now I'm gonna oil spray these again. And these are gonna go back in the air fryer for another 10 minutes. Chicken is done. For the sauce, I'm gonna take a little bit of olive oil and some butter and I'm gonna melt it. Now to this, I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic, some green onion. I'm gonna stir fry this for maybe 30 seconds. Now to this, I'm gonna add some ketchup, chili garlic sauce, hot sauce, and some soy sauce. I'm gonna cook this for about a minute. Once the sauce is done, I'm gonna add the air fried chicken. Coat the chicken with the sauce. Sprinkle some green onions on it.